Here you can see three options like straight wall, arc wall, and rectangle wall. You can create the room with option 1. Click on the straight wall and draw like this. You can give the measurements also. You can give the room type and room name by clicking on the unnamed option. Whenever you create a closed path, it will generate a floor and a ceiling. Whatever side you are seeing, that side of the wall will hide if you want the wall. Click on the eye option below and turn on the exterior wall. The next option is the arc wall. Click on that, and this is how you can draw. Click on the arc wall so that you can change the radius. Also, next option is a rectangular wall. Click on that and draw the room like this. By clicking on the wall, you can change wall-to-wall measurements on the right side. You can add wall features there. You can see and change the wall thickness. To change the floor height at once, click on the floor and go to the floor on the right side interface. You can change the room height. You can see the difference here. Thank you.